In this video, I'm going to show you how to admit people in a meeting. So assuming I'm in this meeting and I need to share the meeting ID with my colleagues to join by coming to the meeting details over here, I can copy it. And then let's say I have shared with someone and he's going to join from this browser. So I'm going to come over here and just click on this and paste. And you'll now be able to see that it has now. So we just go ahead and click on ask to join. And now he's prompting on the other end that he's going to join. So let me go back to the main account. Are you able to see it over here that this guy is trying to join the meeting? And once you click on admit, now he is enabled in the meeting. So Simon Sadiq has joined the meeting. Okay. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.